Welcome to the backyard office build where we're doing the interior tour. And I'm going to show you how I did everything. It's awesome. So let's get in.
I can't help but feel good. I can't help but feel fine. Everything is in its place.
Welcome to the inside. It's been awesome working in here. I've been in here for a couple months now at least, but it's been awesome. And my AC just turned on. Just kidding, turned off. And yeah, before we get into all the details, let me show you what it took to get here and how you can do the same thing. It'll just be real quick, so let's jump into it. This backyard office is built 8 by 10 from the outside, so the inside's a little bit smaller, but we're going with 10-inch joist here. We're gonna be using Tuff blocks for our footings, which they sponsored part of this build. Shout out to y'all. So we're gonna move forward doing insulation for the foundation, putting up 2x4 walls, and just going on and on with the sheathing, with wrapping, waterproofing, getting up this huge sliding door, and you know, going to the paint. So that is the exterior. Go check out the full build on that if you're interested. And I kind of stepped through what the process is. So jumping into the interior now, we got electrical, and I did most of this myself besides running the line from the box to the outside. You know, get a professional if you need to. But it's really easy if you learn just a few tricks. And so then we got our insulation. We're going to be putting up plywood interior walls, which I've always dreamt of. And so we get that in, get the AC going.
Oh, it's colder.
I'll be right back.
I'm sleepy. It's still coming on the grass.
City lights. Ain't it ready? Gonna be no better time.
That's awesome. Hey. The grass looks awesome in here. Hey there, welcome to the inside of the office. Now that it's pretty much done, you know, always 99% done. We have the walls, we've got the desk, we got the computer, we got the chair, we got the ceiling, and we got the AC. How about that? Yes, sir. Alright, today we're talking a little bit about the inside of my office. And as you can see, I already got it a little bit set up. And I want to talk to y'all about today's sponsor, which is Branch. They do furniture, office furniture. It's nice, it's fairly affordable, and they make some good stuff. This is the first time I've used them, and I'm pretty impressed. So let me take you through 2 of the products that I've been using for a little while. I'm gonna tell you what I think about it. So first off is the desk here. Obviously, it's a standing, sitting desk. Super easy to go up and down, up and down. And I am about 6 feet tall, and this is the tallest it gets right here, 47 inches. It has a little indicator on there, which is pretty awesome. I'm gonna move you over here. I've been working like this because I've had a little bit of a pain in my butt, literally. My past office chair from IKEA is like 5 years old. It's like a rock. And then I used my wife's old IKEA office chair that's probably 4 years old. No, we got them at the same time. And it's softer, but my butt still hurts. And so I've been standing more, and thankfully they sent me one of these that can go up and down, which is awesome. It does drive the price up higher, but it's totally worth it. This one is the 48-inch desk, and so this office is almost 8 by 10, if you can see. I'm using a wide angle lens, so it might look bigger in here, but it's pretty small. Look, if you look at my wingspan, I go from there, and then we got like 2 to 3 more feet on this side over here. And then this is about 48-inch desk right here, 2 feet by 4 feet, and it's perfect for what I do. So we got that in the gray duo desk. So that is pretty much the desk. It's a desk, it works. It goes up, it goes down, gets what you need. I do approve of it. Let me show you how I set it up, and my son helped me. It was really easy, so let's jump into that. This is the legs.
So heavy.
They're so heavy. Is it really old? Alrighty, pretty easy to put together. We have the legs here, some screws there, and these legs are the exact same, so you can just put them on any one. You just go connect. Here's the controller going in. There's that little clip right there that it comes with. Clip it in, coming up.
And power up.
The power's up. And then come over here for this one, to this leg, and then power. Thank you. Yeah. Alrighty, now let's go check it out in the office. Alrighty, welcome back. Now for the chair. It has been helping me with my butt pain, and this is not a joke. It's actually serious. I'm not playing just for the video. It has been helping. So as you can see, this is the slate color, I think. It's gray, but it has this black armrest with a white back. Yeah, spin it around for me. Woohoo! There we go. It goes up, goes down, and yeah, it's really nice. The mesh seating is really nice and airflowy. You know, it's a good office chair. It's what I need it for. It actually rolls really well on this Tuff that I got, which I can tell you about that in a second. But yeah, let me show you how I put together this chair and how easy it was. My son helped me again. Let's jump into it. Packages. This here. Oh, is that it? Oh, I guess that's it.
Can I sit on it?
Let's give it a, let's wait one sec. Andrew the first to test it out. What do you think? Pretty good? You want to sit? There we go. Alright, check it out, check it out. Looks like it spins pretty good. What do y'all approve? Alrighty, well, let's get this thing into the office. Alrighty, with that, that's branch, chair, desk, awesome. Check them out, link in the bio. Next up in here, we have our plywood walls. I know you're probably wondering, why did you go with plywood? It's so much more expensive than doing drywall. Well, drywall sucks. I don't like drywall, and I've always wanted a plywood room, home, office, and you know, it looks awesome. Like, look at this thing. The walls are 1/2 inch. The ceiling is 1/4 inch. And we got a window there. AC unit, which is from July AC. I'm doing a whole video review on that. There was some craziness that happened with the July AC. Let me just tell you. So go watch that. I'll show you how to install it. I'll tell you what I think about it, and I'll tell you all the drama with that. So we got that window. We got the sliding door right here. The Tuff. That is from Home Depot. That was like 50 bucks or something. 5x7 carpet, Tuff. Yeah, it's really nice. So we got pretty much everything set up in here. Now, this is the other side of the office that you haven't really seen. Alrighty. So on this side, I do run a couple, well, one business really, but a couple side projects apart from my main job, which is over there at the main desk. But we got our hats here. We got some hats, shirts in here. We got more hats. We got some boxes, some sleeves for the hats. Then we got my shipping station here. And so is where I'll package a hat, package a game, which we got some games there. Some supplies here, hats, more hats, our hat press, our printer, and this is my old desk from the old office, boxes, and more hats here. I do hats and some shirts. I have an apparel business. Here, these are just makeshift boxes. You see that? Look. Makeshift boxes for some hats. We got these hats too. Check them on the site. They kind of sell out fast, so get them now if you can. Dadlife.store. And then July AC here. This is perfect for this little space. I made a whole video on the July AC. The other thing to show you is the internet situation in here. So across the way from my house and Wi-Fi, we have a Google mesh system set up, and it comes out here a little bit. It's not the best. I wanted to put an Ethernet cable all the way from the house over here, which is what I did. That black roll right there, that's Ethernet cable, and it's going up. You can see it black. Needs to be painted. And that comes out all the way to over here. Goes all the way, comes to a little splitter here. So down to the splitter here. And so we got that from the main house, the power, and then that goes up and that goes to the side. So one of them comes over here to this actually. Check. And then the other one comes all the way over here and to this one. So that way I have my shipping station here where I can do my packages, and this gets internet. I don't have to try to extend to the Wi-Fi. And then this, when I'm running anything for work, I can do it here. So that's a good setup. The shelves here, which is what I showed you a little bit, these are old from IKEA. I don't even think they sell this product anymore, but I installed them really easily. And yeah, it just has some, like, here's some thank you cards, discount codes. Here's some like old product samples, more cards, stickers, you know. Got some random my dad life stamp, some random stuff there. Got the gaming up here, little guy. And then, you know, some rest of the stuff. So got those shelves. And then I guess the biggest question here is, what about the space? The camera really doesn't do it justice because I'm shooting on a wide. This is a 16 millimeter wide lens. It's variable, but right now it's 16, so it looks pretty wide. But I'm 6 feet tall, right? So you can tell, like, there's not a ton of room to move around. Like, I have my kids in here sometimes, and they're, you know, 4 and below, but it gets really crowded. So you can't really have more than one. I mean, you could have 2 people in here for sure. You could have someone working here, someone working at this desk, someone doing packaging, someone working on the computer. Like, that would be totally fine, if you like the person, of course. But yeah, it's a perfect spot. Yeah, I love it a lot. Like the turf, like the flooring. I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outlets, and I guess I use most of them. Well, not most of them. I use some of them. It's a good setup. Yeah, that's about it. There's nothing really else to do. You already went through the desk. This is Branch. Shout out Branch. Thank you again for the hookup. Y'all go check them out. Use my code for, you know, a little bit of discount. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, thank y'all again for watching. Make sure you subscribe. And thank y'all. See y'all later, and I'll see you out there. Go check out the rest of the videos of the office build. Alright, see you later. See you out there. See you later. Bye. See ya. Bye. See ya.